Hey everyone, Richie here from SuiDex.org. Welcome back to SuiDex Strategies, your guide to learning and earning and mastering DeFi on SuiDex. Today we're going to get into something a little bit more advanced. This would be classed as yellow, chapter 3, intermediate, which is called opening a new pool. If you've ever wanted to create your own trading pair or become the first liquidity provider on SuiDex for that pair, this is how to do it. So sometimes the token pair you want to trade doesn't exist. That's where SuiDex gives you real control, because here you can create that pool yourself. Opening a new pool means you become the first liquidity provider, and that comes with serious perks. It's because you can start earning trading fees right away as the first LP provider. You attract new trades and liquidity to your pair. Or if you are a token creator or serious token community member, you can create a liquidity pool for that token, incentivize it by pulling more of your community into it, and then talk to me about applying for a SuiDex farm reward pool to earn victory on that LP2. This could kickstart your token's community journey to becoming a larger token with a bigger community, and that's actually why SuiDex exists in the first place. So we're very much open to those kind of conversations. So if you're launching a project, building a community token, or even just starting a meme coin, opening your own pool is a pretty big first step. SuiDex allows you to do that. I'm going to explain to you how to do it. So you can come to the docs page on SuiDex. I have linked this in the description below of this video. Let's walk through it step by step. First, what you want to do is connect your wallet to SuiDex. You can find that at the top right. Just click here, connect wallet. It will connect. I recommend Slush Wallet, the official wallet of the Sui network. Then go to pool and add liquidity. So I've chosen Walrus and USDC. You can see here it says new liquidity pool. Create the first liquidity pool for this token pair and pioneer this token and start earning fees. Okay. So the first thing you want to do then is to go to create trading pair. This will cost you nothing but a tiny amount of Sui gas to open your pool. Now that your pool is open, you need to supply liquidity to the pool, and this involves setting your starting price. Now, this can be a little bit complex, so we're going to go through it. When you create a new pool, the starting price determines how your two tokens are balanced inside of the liquidity pair. The safest move is to match the current market price so that there is not unneeded buying and selling of the tokens to match the market price. For example, if you were creating liquidity for Sui and SuiTrump on SuiDex, you could check the SuiTrump price on Dex Screener, and usually that shows you the USDC price. But you can also use Dex Screener to check the Sui to SuiTrump price as well. If your pair is something else, then just check your token's price in USDT if you're pairing with USDT, or Sui if you're pairing with Sui. You'll find this on Dex Screener. We're going to go there right now. So I need to find Walrus and USDC. So we come to Dex Screener. Start by getting the contract address of the tokens that you want to pair. So I'm pairing Walrus with USDC. So I need to get the token address for Walrus from somewhere like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Okay. We then take the pair with the largest amount of liquidity. This one will do $700,000. We then scroll down to the bottom, and what you will find here is a very handy, useful kit for finding out the dollar value and the Sui value at the bottom right there. So if I want to find 100 Walrus price, that would be 24.45 USD at the moment. But if you're pairing Walrus with Sui instead, and you might be pairing your token with Sui or USDC, usually these are the two most common pairs, you could then just come here and click Sui instead. It will then say that 100 Walrus is 8.93 Sui. We're pairing with USDT, so we will take 100 to 24.47, and that's what we pair. So we go the 100 Walrus to 24.47. This gives us our starting ratio for the pool. We click on add liquidity. Remember, we're doing this to set the initial liquidity for the pool. After this, I will show you exactly what happens and why it's very important. The liquidity has now been added. We refresh this modal. You will see now that 100 wall will now be 24.47 on the DEX. If I go to 200 wall, we would then be 48.42 for adding liquidity. This also happens for trading as well. And that's how to add liquidity for your pool. The higher liquidity that you add, the more trading can happen and the more trading fees that you will earn inside of your started pool. So setting the price as close to the real market keeps your pool fair and prevents traders from taking advantage of a mispriced setup. Now trading begins. The pool's ratio will change naturally based on market demand. That's how price discovery works. There's a couple things to watch out for. Low volume risk. If no one trades your pair, your fees will be very small. Price discovery. Set the wrong price and you'll get arbitraged very quickly. And impermanent loss. As market prices move, your pool value can also shift. And remember, even though you started the pool, if someone adds in more liquidity than you, they will get a higher share of trading fees on that pair. So if you've opened a pool and want to take it to the next level, you can apply for a SuiDex farm reward pool. If your project has a strong community and real liquidity, you can get featured on our farm with victory rewards for LP holders. Just open a ticket on our Discord, link in the description. You'll find the link below. That's it. You know how to open your own liquidity pool now. On SuiDex, you know how to start earning from day one. Next up, we'll dive into chapter 4, which is all about the victory token, where we'll break down how the token works and how to maximize your yield using it. I'm Richie. Thanks for watching SuiDex Strategies. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep leveling up your DeFi game. I'll see you in the next one.